Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me share with you the best way to track investment performance on Cash App. Let's get into it. So the best way to track investment performance on Cash App is to review progress with a long-term perspective. Use the app's portfolio overview to monitor total values, gains, and losses rather than focusing on daily price movements. Check performance at regular intervals such as weekly or monthly to identify trends without emotional bias. Compare your results against your original goals to see whether your strategy is working. Keep simple external records of purchase dates and amounts for clear analysis over time. Tracking performance consistently helps you to make informed adjustments while avoiding unnecessary reactions to short-term market noise. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.